परिचय आनदासे ज्ञान सिंधु तरे ताहा होइते दयानिधि तारदास विद्यानिधि राजेन्द्र हरिल वृंदावनवासी जत वैष्णवेर गहन प्रथमे वंदन करि सबार चरण नीलाचलवासी गौरांग बोलिते हैं गौरांग बोलिते हवे पुलक शरीरा
गौरांग बोलिते हवे पुलक शरीरा हरि गुणे तेरा जय पावनीरा आर का बेनिया चले करुणा कोई दे सारा वचना मोया हरे तुम सहावे दिशाया चलिया कभी सुधा हावे मारा हरे हमारे रामो श्री वृंदावना पदे पूजा बोसे
नित्यानंद प्रभु निताई निताई मोर जाति धन निताई मोर जाति धन ये देशे निताई नहीं से देशे नहीं जाओ निताई विमुख हैं
निताई मोर जीवन धन
निताई मोर जीवन धन
57 निताय मोर जीवन निताय मोर जाति निताय बिहाने मोरा आनंदी गाती संसार सुखेरा मुखे तुलसी पोचाई नगरे मागिया खबो गाइया निताई तेरे से निताई नाई तेरे से न जावो निताई विमुखा जनार मुखना मेरीबो गंगा जर पदा जल तासिरे दारे हेलोनी कैना बजिया दुख प्रेमारे लोचन बोले मोरा निताई जीवन
आनंद कंद निताई चंद। Then आनंद कंद निताई चंद।
Sheshito. 62.
They sing that tune is very nice. What is singing? Ananda Kanda. What is it?
Ananda Kanda Nitai Chanda.
Koruna Nayana Koruna Chanda.
Ananda Kanda
Nitai Chanda. This one.
सुबह नहीं चलो
Ananda Kanda. He sings very nice. That heart tune is good.
Yes, Prabhu, yes.
Nitai
Essa
Chanda.
melodia,
ये नहीं
essa melodia que você fez. A primeira melodia que você fez.
Karuna Pura.
ये नहीं Ananda Kanda Nitai Chanda Aruna Nayana Karuna Chanda जग जने करुदान रे जग जने करुदान रे जग जने करुदान रे जग जने ब्रज विहारा रस विचारा ब्रज विहारा रस विचारा मधुर मधुर गान रे मधुर मधुर गान रे मधुर मधुर गान रे मधुर धूल दूषाया नारायणी उपाया धूल कबहु लुटाता प्रेमे गर गर कबहु चालाता कबहु खेलाता कबहु कबहु चालाता कबहु खेलाता कबहु आटा आसरे कबहु आटा आसरे कबहु आटा आसरे कबहु कबहु सेदा कबहु भेदा कबहु पुलक स्वर विभेदा कबहु लंपा कबहु जंपा कबहु लंपा कबहु जंपा कबहु लंपा कबहु जंपा कबहु लंपा कबहु जंपा कबहु दीर्घ साय रे कबहु दीर्घ साय रे कबहु दीर्घ साय रे कबहु दीर्घ करुणा सिंधु अखिल बंधु करुणा सिंधु अखिल बंधु कलिजुगतम पुराण इंदु कलिजुगतम पुराण इंदु लोचना पटल मोचना निताय पुरालो आशरे निताय पुरालो आशरे निताय पुरालो आशरे निताय पुरालो आदम आदम दीन दूर जना प्रेमाधरे कानलो मोचन पावलो जगत केवल वंचित पावलो जगत केवल वंचित हे राधा बाला बदा
What do you sing this? छवि देखी राधा रमन की. You have this song?
I have that.
Yeah, this song would be.
I'm not so good at consent. So
I have Gurdeva, I prefer.
Huh?
छवि देखी
राधा रमन की.
for Gurudev.
Yeah, Raman Vihari. Raman Vihari.
This Gurudev.
Huh?
This.
छवि देखी राधा रमन की. राधा रमन की. श्याम सुंदर की. हरि देखी. हरि छवि देखी राधा रमन की. राधा रमन की. श्याम सुंदर की. हरि छवि देखी. This for Mohammed. Send this. What do you think?
Can I sing Gurdeva?
Huh?
Can I sing?
You want to sing? Okay. Nice. Tune Suri, eh? Okay, fantastic.
छवि देखी.
Your harmonium not working.
A bit broken. Now some buttons broken. This needs fixing. Very difficult to play.
Okay. I can't.
छवि देखी राधा रमन की.
देखी राधा रमन की.
छवि देखी राधा रमन की.
देखी राधा रमन की.
राधा रमन की श्यामा सुंदर 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 की.
हरि छवि देखी राधा रमन की.
छवि देखी राधा रमन की.
छवि देखी राधा रमन की.
देखी राधा रमन की.
राधा रमन की श्यामा सुंदर 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 की.
हरि छवि देखी राधा रमन की. शिशुनि के मुकुट विराजे.
विराजे
मुकुट विराजे.
मुकुट विराजे
मुकुट विराजे.
मुकुट विराजे.
शिशुनि के मुकुट विराजे.
मुकुट विराजे
कुंडल की छवि न्यारी रे.
उजल की छवि न्यारी रे
कुंडल की छवि न्यारी रे.
उजल की छवि न्यारी रे
हरि छवि देखी राधा रमन की.
देखी राधा रमन की.
राधा रमन की श्यामा सुंदर 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 की.
हरि छवि देखी राधा
छवि देखी राधा रमन की वृंदावन की कुंज गलिन में वृंदावन की कुंज गलिन में कुंज गलिन में कुंज गलिन में वृंदावन की कुंज गलिन में की मटकी पटकी रे
more practice and more fitness will come. Om Ajnanatimirandhrasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshurmitam Jena Tasmai Gurave Namah Gurave Gaura Chandraya Radhikavai Tadalai Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namo Vande Gurupad Dandang Bhakta Vrinda Samanitam Sri Chaitanang Prabhung Vande Ananda Prabodhitam Nandanang Vande Radhika Charanodam Gopinang Samajuktanang Vrindavana Manoharam Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Jai Jai Sri Radha. So continue. First of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Prishna Vishnu Bhagavat Vedanta Shalabhaman Goswami Maharaj. And Nitya Prishna Vishnu Bhagavat Ashtottara Satyamad Bhakti Vedanta Shalabhaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Prishna Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Gandhavan Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj. and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So, continue few days. We also discuss about Raga Ramananda Sangvad, the conversation between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Rai Ramananda. Very nice, beautiful this topic. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami composed in his books Bhakti Chaitanya Charitamrita. So biggest topic, but we cannot speak everything. So just I want to speak few words. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked many questions and Rai Ramananda he gave answer. And actual Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked, so what is the Sarupanundi Vritti of the Jiva? What is spontaneous nature of the living entities? Actually, this is the main question of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And all Jivas, they have spontaneous nature to serve to Krishna. But they serve to Krishna according to their own mood and bhav. And some Jivas, they are serving to Krishna with Dasya bhav. Dasya bhav means servitual mood. And some Jivas, they serve to Krishna with their Sakha bhav, friendship mood. Or some Jivas, they serve to Krishna with their Vatsalya bhav, parental mood. Or some Jivas, they serve to Krishna with their conjugal mood, Madhurya bhav. Because transcendental world full of variety. Variety, understand? Vichitra. Depending. Variety is called ours also life. If in your life is no variety, understand? You will not happy. What variety? Every day you also wearing the cloth, different types of cloth. Variety or not? We are sitting here. All our clothes is different or not? Not same. Understand? Not same uniforms. In the school or college, some school, college, there rules is there. The uniforms should be same.
Still a little bit variety there. Like boys go different clothes.
But generally these days, even the army also same clothes they are thing. But some also little bit also different variety is there.
Maharaj, I have to leave now, but thank you for coming, okay?
Thank you for kindness.
Come again.
You not come here, we live here. What time will you go to the airport?
I have
2 o'clock.
working like 1 hour from here today. Everywhere I work every day.
When will you come back?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, night time.
Maybe today, yeah.
Oh my God.
Sometimes it's like that. Sometimes I do this.
Night time, what time will you come?
7, 8 o'clock probably.
Oh, 8 hours, 12 hours.
Today at least. Today will be like 12 hours.
What is your job?
I'll send you Facebook photos, okay? Okay.
He's doing gardening
It's
work.
construction work. It's finishing the houses when they're building their gardens for their grass and their flowers and their trees.
What is it called? Horticulture.
Not agriculture, gardening.
Horticulture, no? They are the gardener. No?
For
Agriculture means like it means big land.
They planted the trees, flowers, this.
Grass.
Gardening is
Mostly
small.
Uh,
Agriculture means big land.
no, no, horticulture.
Huh?
Horticulture.
Agriculture, then it's
Yeah.
small.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, nice to see you again. Don't forget me.
Don't forget me.
Huh? So, what did he say?
The sky
Oh, who will drive to us in the airport? Huh? Oh,
I don't know.
okay.
This is important question.
This is an important question. Well, not very far, eh? Only, not 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 10, 15, 5 minutes just to put your luggage on the. You are saying 5 minutes. Okay, so to me 5 minutes. How to arrive in 5 minutes?
5 minutes when you're sitting already and when you arrive at the airport, but how to do this?
It's not 5 minutes. 10, 15 minutes, okay. We can say, okay, 15 minutes. Okay. Huh? Okay, so, what did you say? Varieties, this is what they are. Prominent in our life also. Even our material life also, all you want variety. All the leaves of the trees also different, not same. Some also variety is there. Difference is there. These are two wrong. Varieties taste. We are eating variety. Variety is the important. The Sanskrit word that is called Vaichitramay Jagat. What do you say? Vaichitramay Jagat. The transitional world and material world also Vaichitramay. Variety. Sometimes Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain the Swajatyatva will be not possible. Everybody is same. Same is not possible. And if you can see one leaves of the trees, one leaves just, or another leaf, somewhere also must be difference in there. Different line, different quality, different coming. You understand this way? Even in transcendental world, Guru Vrindavan, they're making the garland. Just a thing. Rupa Manjari she made one garland. Rati Manjari she made one garland. But you can see that the difference is there. Somewhere must be. You cannot say that both are same. Impossible. But Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad giving sometimes also similarity coming. But that is very, very rare. Very, very rare. Just give an example. Some kinds of insects. You understand? Insects in the rice or wheat. And if you keep the rice and wheat on one bag, then after a few months, they can see some insects in the rice. And they are also eating the rice and kut. And the rice they also making the dust also. Have you seen or no? So that time you also sometimes separate the insects and the rice. So you are with a stain or something you are doing this. And some dust is there. But that the insects. And when they are walking. And sometimes they also make one letter also there.
In the shape of a letter, they walk.
They walk. They are walking. They are making one shape of the letter. They are the insects. They are not aim and object to make the any letter. But when they walking, they are making one letter. Coming in there. So this is what called the similarities. But similarity is very, very rare. So now coming in this way, variety, that is called the our life always. And everybody want different when everybody want to wear different clothes. Your cloth is what? Blackish. Her cloth is which color? Your cloth, your difference or not? Not everybody's cloth is same. Understand? Even your school, college, university, those are rules is there, okay, all students will be same uniform. But is what they're putting, that's some difference is there. Why I'm saying? Because in transcendental world, different rasas, mellows, Krishna released different mellows from the heart of his devotees also. Because Krishna is called Rasik Shekhar Krishna. Rasik Shekhar is very expert to enjoy the different mellows from the heart of his devotees. So Rasik Shekhar Krishna, Parama Karun, प्रेम रस निर्जास करिते आस्वादन राग मार्गे भक्ति लोक करिते प्रचारण. Krishna is Rasik Shekhar. He is best connoisseur. He relishes all kinds of rasas. Give an example. Who is very greedy person to eat their different types of food. He will not happy to give you this everyday same food. He will not happy. Will happy or not? Every day you are not eating the same food also. Sometimes you eat some different food also. Sometimes you eat what things? Pasta, pista. Different days. Sometimes eating rice. Sometimes you eating chapati. Sometimes you bread. Sometimes nirjala. Nirjala, understand? No? What do you mean nirjala? Sometimes you are not eating. Okay. Today is Ekadashi. I will not drink one drop of water. Sometimes you Nirjala Ekadashi. Coming soon, Pandava. Nirjala Ekadashi is coming. Why I am saying this is the nature of this matter. Different varieties of sabji you are eating also, not every day same. Eating everything, every day eating, this is true. Maybe just Nirjala Ekadashi 1 day or 2 days not eating. But every day eating. When you eating, then different taste. You like different taste. This is the nature. In our tongue, inside, how many spots is there? 6 spots are there. You understand? Some place also you can taste bitter, sour, and salt. Lord, He creates this, our tongue also this way. You cut your tongue and then taste. Understand? So, in the same way, Krishna is the best connoisseur and he tastes all kinds of rasas, mellows from the heart of his devotees. Santa, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsala and Madhurya. So now coming in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked to Rai Ramananda about the Sarup of the Jivas. What is the spontaneous nature of the soul? Soul. What is the spontaneous nature of the soul? Jiva. Then Rai Ramananda he told, प्रभु के पढ़ श्लोक शास्त्री साध्य निर्णय राय कई सधर्माचरणे विष्णु भक्ति है. Rai Ramananda he starts from Varnashram Dharma, how to follow the rules and regulation of the society. Because if we not follow the rules and regulation of the society, we will not develop our spiritual life. Cats, dogs, animals, they are not following any rules. They are following or not? Eating, sleeping, defending and meeting. They are going on this way. But we are human being. We are also doing same thing. Eating, sleeping, defending and meeting. But our everything is a difference. Variety is coming. Understand? You are sleeping or not? Sometimes you sleep on the floor. Sometimes you sleep very nice, beautiful, soft bed. And you like this. When very cold, what is your winter, then you use nice, what is it called? Blanket. Soft blanket you like. Or when very hot, then just to sleep on simple bed. No need blanket. Now also every time is same blanket. What time you use blanket or not? No.
Last night and all those things were very cold. I usually last night.
You feel cold?
Yes, cold.
Okay. So just why I'm saying, because Krishna, he is releasing different types of rasas, mellows from the heart of his devotees. For this guy, he manifested different forms in his different dham. And Vaikuntha Dham, Lord manifests in the form of Narayana Saruvidya. Same Krishna. He manifests in Vaikuntha in the form of Narayan. How many hands of Narayan? 4 or 3? 4 hands. And understand? And he manifests his very beautiful form in Ayodhya. The form is called Narayan Sarup. Ramchandra Sarup. And he holds bow and arrow, and Kshatriya Bhav is there also, and following all the rules and regulations of the society. Prabhukula Riti Sada Chali Ai Prana Jai Baru Bachana Na Jai. Ramchandra, this mode. Always he is following the rules and regulations of the society. Same Krishna appeared in the form of Dwarkadhish Krishna in Dwarkapuri. In Dwarkapuri, Krishna sometimes manifests 4 arms or sometimes 2 arms. Kabhu Chaturbhuj, Kabhu Dvibhuj. In Dwarkapuri, Krishna, he manifests sometimes 4 arms, Chaturbhuj. Or sometimes he manifests 2 arms. Or Mathura, most of the time Krishna, he manifests his 2 arms. Very rare he manifests his 4 arms. Remember these things. Or Golok Vrindavan, Krishna always manifests his 2 arms. Lokavattu Lila Kaivalam. He performs his Lila as a human being Lila. That is called Dvibhuj, Muralidhar, Syama Sundara. Understand? Jatira Bantari Dvibhuja Muralidhara, Syama Sundara. In Vrindavan, Krishna manifests 3-fold, Tribhanga Lalit. And 2 arms, and he plays the flute. This is the because Brajavasis, they will be happy if they see Krishna, this Dvibhuj Muralidhar. Those are pure devotees of Lord, they call Brajavasi. Brajavasi, they want to see Krishna's this types of form. And our peacock feather on his turban. There is peacock feather on his turban. Three-band fold, Tribhanga Lalit. Understand? His leg and his, what is called, waist and also neck. The three places also little bit crooked. There is a Tribhanga Lalit. It is. And always very smiling face. And he captivated the heart of all the living entities with his very nice, beautiful, romantic, sidelong glance. Tirchi Nazar. What is it? Tirchi Nazar, with his very nice, beautiful, romantic, sidelong glance. And he not looking the straight. Ramchandra, Narayan, they are looking in straight. Even Dwarkadhish, Mathuradhish, or Vrindavan Samsundar, Vrindavan Chandra, he looks little bit crooked way. Understand? This is the thing. And very nice, beautiful, smiling face also. So for the Vallabhacharya, Mudrashtakam, Vithalacharya, he also composed this song. Nanang Madhuram, Hasitang Madhuram, Gamanang Madhuram, Chalitang Madhuram, Madhuram Madhuradi Pate, Akhilang Madhuram. Nanang Madhuram, Hasitang Madhuram, Chalitang Madhuram, Gamitang Madhuram, Madhuradi Pate, Akhilang Madhuram. Madhur is very sweet. Mudrashtakam you read or not? If you read, very nice, beautiful. Mudrashtakam. Nayanang Madhuram, Hasitang Madhuram, Gamanang Madhuram, Chalitang Madhuram, Madhuradhipate, Akhilang Madhuram. All is a Madhur. Madhur is sweet. So the hymn is become Vrindavan Chandra Krishna. And he always very beautiful and three-band fold. Tribhanga Lalit. And especially Srimati Radhika, she is there. Radha agi Krishna jidi rahe dandaya Tribhanga Lalit hai bhru na chaya. Chaitanya Charitamrita. When Krishna he comes in front of Srimati Radhika, then Krishna automatically manifests his twisting form. Twisting form is there. And crooked form. When Radha agi Krishna jidi rahe dandaya Tribhanga Lalit hai bhru na chaya. And Krishna, very nice, beautiful is form, and he also captivated the heart of all the living entities. If you take darshan to Krishna, you cannot go back to your house. Dekhile nayane here, keho nahi ghare phire, giriro sangsari jego hai sarvanas. And you lose everything. If you take darshan, very nice, beautiful form of Krishna. Bandhu sange jadi taba ranga parihas tabe mor katha rekho jeo nako mathura kese tirtha ghate rasakas. Bandhu sange jadi taba ranga parihas, bandhu sange jadi taba ranga parihas. Adhare bang sitidar, sikhi chuda kyu bhai na kar vishwas. Bandhu sange jadi taba ranga parihas, bandhu sange jadi taba ranga parihas. Tabe mor katha rekho, jeo nako मथुरा केशी तीर्थ घाटेर सकाश बंधु संगे यदि तब रंग परिहास बंधु संगे यदि तब रंग परिहास. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this song. And Srila Rupa Goswami Pad composed and Sanskrit slok in his Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu also. And very nice, beautiful this song. If you want to enjoy the different types of material sense gratification with your family's member, and Bandhu Sange Jadi Tava Rang Parihas, Tabe Bor Katha Reko. You listen my advice. What is my advice? Don't go Mathura. And if you go Mathura, very quickly leave Mathura. Where will go? Vrindavan. But if you go Vrindavan, don't go to the place of Keshi Ghat, where Krishna, he killed Keshi demon. Keshi Ghat. And if you go the place of Keshi Ghat, listen very carefully. Don't go to the temple of Govinda Dev, because Govinda Dev temple very close to Keshi Ghat. So saying, Bandhu Sange Jadi Taba Rang Parihas Tabe Mor Katha Rekho Jevnako Mathura Keshi Tirtha Ghati Rasakas. Bole why no? Bole Tathai Achana Hori Govinda Rup Dhari Mukhe Mridubandha Has. In the temple of Govinda Dev, Govinda Dev Mandir, that Govinda Dev is very powerful. If you want to take darshan to Govinda Dev, again you will not return back your home. Who will go Vrindavan? You will want to go Vrindavan? But very carefully. If you go Vrindavan and take darshan, then you will not return back. Very powerful. And once one devotee, he also decorated Thakurji, Govinda Dev. Small, his Thakurji name is called Govinda Dev. And then gave to one blind poet, his name is called Surdas. What is his name? Surdas. And that time, then one Pujari asked to Surdas, hey Surdas, you tell to me, how is the beautiful form of Thakurji? Then he is a blind person, but he told, oh, Thakurji very nice, beautiful. Nice decoration, turban on his forehead, on his head, peacock feather, three-band lori, three-band fold, and also peacock feather, what is called? Flute, bangshi, and then explain this. And that time some person is saying, oh, maybe someone told him, so further he is saying, because he is blind. So how possible he describe this thing? Understand? The next day, the devotee also not put in cloth Thakurji. Not put anything Thakurji. And told to Surdas, hey Surdas, today you can to glorify how the beautiful form of Thakurji, how he dressed. They did. Then Surdas is saying, oh, today Thakurji is completely naked. Nanga ki nanga. Well, how did he know? Well, he transcendental vision. And aprakita netra. Because we cannot take darshan to Thakurji with our materialized jada netra. You understand? They think. If you want to take darshan to Lord, need which eyes? Transcendental eyes. And aprakita chakshu. Then you can take darshan to the beautiful form of Lord. This Vigraha is a transcendental, this is true, Sachidananda Vigraha. But Maya Devi is covered. So for this regard, we cannot take darshan to Thakurji. For this regard, we are saying, oh, this Thakurji, which marble? You brought from where? And what is called granite? Granite marble. Very expensive marble. You know? Which marble?
Marble?
The marble stone.
Yeah.
Which marble stone is very expensive? Gr-
Or where? Qualities have been.
Which qualities? Marble stone is very expensive. The granite. That marble is very. So for this, some people, oh, maybe this is expensive. Marble stone. Actually, this Thakurji is transcendental. Sachidananda Vigraha. Isvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha. Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Kayan. The Vigraha is transcendental. But according our level, we are thinking, oh, this is stone, this stone, this stone. This. Actually, Thakurji is transcendental. When Vigraha installed it, Pratishtha, and that time the Thakurji Vigraha is called transcendental, or Prakita, Sachidananda. But we cannot realize. Understand, when we chanting holy names, doing bhajan and sadhan, then by the causeless mercy of Lord, then we realize how Thakurji is transcendental. This is the process of Nangatma Pravachana Labbo, no Medhaya, no Bahuna Srute, no Jami Vaishabhiniti, Ten Labbo, Tasis Atma Vibhrunute Tonusam. And according to material knowledge, we cannot understand how this Vigraha is transcendental. Sachidananda Vigraha. So saying Nangatma Pravachana Labbo, no Medhaya, no Bahuna Srute, no. Even many times you listen, you cannot understand. How will you understand? When Lord Himself manifests in your heart His own form or own activities, then understand. Otherwise not. You understand now? How do you know this Thakurji is transcendental? It's simple. When you receive the mercy of Lord, Bhagavat Kripa. अथाति देवोद पदाम्बुजदेव प्रसाद लेसानु गृहीत एवहि जानाति तत्तं भगवान महिम्नो न चानु एको ओपि चिरन विचिन्न. Million birth he was wandering in the same cycle of repeated birth and death, acquire the knowledge, you cannot understand this Vigraha Sachidananda. Actually, this Vigraha Sachidananda, but now we are thinking of this which stone, the material, this stone, clay, or wood. Oh, your Thakur is very nice. This is made by which wood? And understand, neem wood or ordinary wood? Understand, people are asking this. But Vigraha is Sachidananda. So, Isvara Paramakrishna Sachidananda Vigraha. Anadira Adi Govinda Sarva Karana. This Thakurji will talk with you. When your transcendental mode will come, your heart will neat and clean, then Thakurji will talk with you. This is the process also. So now coming in this way, in Golok Vrindavan, Krishna always manifest two arms. How many? Like a Dibhuj Muralidhar, and he plays the flute. Jatkin Chittinagulma Kikata Mukham Gosti Samsi Tat Sarvananda Mukunda Ditam Lilanukulang Param Sastri Vasputamitra Naskintan Jancha Brahma Devi Saspriyeno Modyam Tayavandate. In Golok Vrindavan, Lord's form is a transcendental form, Sachidananda Vigraha. And those who are eternal associates of Lord Krishna, Their form also Sachidananda. See that. Gaurur Visaksen in Vaikuntha Dham. Their body is called also transcendental. Because without your transcendental body, you cannot serve to Lord also. So bhakti definition is what? Hisikeno hisikeso sevanang bhaktira uchyate. Or the first line. Sarvopadi virir muktam tatparitam nirmalam hisikeno hisikeso sevanang bhaktira uchyate. Bhakti means to serve, seva. How to serve to Lord. When you receive your transcendental form, then you can serve to Lord. Otherwise not. Lord body also transcendental, Sachidananda, and those who are servant of Krishna, their body also Sachidananda. See that. So saying Isvara Parama Krishna, Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karana. Sachidananda Vigraha. So, Sadhak Rindani chanting holy names, Vibhajan and sadhan, then slowly you realize it transcendental form also. This is the process. And all your limbs and body become transcendental. Now you are looking with your eyes, which eyes?
Yeah.
Material eyes, that is Jada Chakshu. What is it? Jada Chakshu. Understand? For this regard, we are darshan is Jada also. And you know, so we are saying, oh, this is which marble, this is coming from where did it? But when you received the transcendental eyes and aprakita netra, they can see Krishna's beautiful form. So now coming in this way, why I am coming? Because Krishna is the best connoisseur. He realizes all kinds of mellows from the heart of his devotees. So now coming, same Krishna appeared in the form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked to Rai Ramananda, Prabhu ke paraslok sadher nirnay. Sadhya means our highest goal, ultimate goal. What is your ultimate goal? What do you want? You want to serve to Krishna. Already I told, because he will Sharu Bhai Krishna Nityadas. And all the living entities, they are spontaneous, the servant of Krishna. Krishna Das. Mahaprabhu also recited this verse. Nahang vipro na chandrapate na vaisya sudra na grasta varni jatirva kintut paramananda purna mitabde gopi bhartur padakamalur das anudas. You learn this verse or no? Everybody learn this verse. Nahang vipro. I am not Brahmana. Even I am not Kshatriya Vaisya Sudra. So who are you? Gopi Bhartu Padakamalur Das. I am the servant of Krishna. I am not Brahmana, not Kshatriya, no Vaisya, no Sudra. Even I am not Sannyasi, Brahmachari and Banprasth. So who am I? Gopi Bhartur Padakamalur Das Anudas. We are the servant of Gopis, who are the beloved of Krishna. Gopi Bhartur. This is our aim and object. You want to serve to Krishna or not? Do you want to serve Krishna? You? How to serve? Need transcendental body. And transcendental eyes, transcendental nose, transcendental hands, legs, everything. Then serve Krishna. So maybe a question will come. all my limbs and body is material. So how to serve to Krishna? Question कभी करना अतस्य कृष्ण नामादि न भवेद ग्राह्य इंद्रिय सेवन मुख हुई जिहादु स्वामी स्फूर्तव. When your seven mukh vritti will come, when your tendency will come to serve to Krishna, then slowly all your limbs and body transfer in transcendental. You understand now? And how to serve to Krishna? Krishna is Sachidananda Vigraha. But when your tendency will come to serve to Lord, then Krishna's inconceivable potential, Achinta Sakti, then your body will come transcendental. And aprakita deha. With your aprakita deha, transcendental body, you can serve to Krishna. This is the process. So saying, Sarvavadi Vinirmuktam Tatparitana Nirmalam Hisikeno Hisikeso Sevanam Bhaktir Uchyate. This is the process. So now coming in this way, how will to attain the highest perfection? Then Raya Ramananda he told, one who follows the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma, then Lord will be praised. Then Lord will give the potential in the heart of the devotee. This is the process. So Raya Ramananda he quoted one verse from Shastra. The Varnashram Asratavata Purusena Parapuman Vishnu Aradhate Pantha Nanat Tattva Karana. There are many other processes Lord will praise. One who follows the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma, Lord will be praised. Understand? This is the process also. So Varnashram Asratavata Purusena Parapuman Vishnu Aradhate Pantha Nanat Tattva Karana. But Raya Ramananda again he told, oh, this is external. What he said? This is external. Because iho vajjagi kovar. So why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told this is external? Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu want to listen the spontaneous nature of the jivas. Jiva Sarupa Ananda Bhakti. All the living entities, their spontaneous nature serve to Krishna. Krishna Seva. And now we have come in this material world. We are serving to Maya Seva. Maya Seva, understand? Maya means which is not true. We are thinking this is true. Actually, this is Mriyate Anayati Maya. In this material, what we are looking, this is not true. But that true is called, that moment is true. That is Tatkalik Sattva. What is it? Tatkalik Sattva. That time, truth, when you are speaking. That is called Tatkalik Sattva. So when you chanting holy names, then slowly all your limbs and body transfer in Sachidananda. So Guru Goswami Pad quoted this verse in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Atasya Krishna namadi no bhaved grajya indriyoi. Sevan mukhi jihadu swayameva spuraditada. When you seven mukh vritti will have tendency to serve to Krishna, then Lord manifest very nice, beautiful Sachidananda Vigraha in front of you. This is the process of. So now coming in this way, Raya Ramananda, he told the प्रभु कही परश्लोक साध्येर निर्णय राय कही स्वधर्म आचरणे विष्णु भक्ति है. प्रभु कही वाज्य आगे कहार राय कही कृष्ण कर्मार्पण सर्व साध्य सार. Then Raya Ramananda, then he told They are Shraddha, that is how to offer everything to Krishna. The Krishna karma arpan. Understand this? And all were to be offered to Krishna. Jat kuruchi, jadyosi, jadachi, jat tapasi kuntya tat kurusha mad arpanam. Krishna told to Arjuna, hey Arjuna, what you will do? All the fruits of your karma, everything offer to me. Look this. What you will do? You also eat chapati or not? Chapati, understand? Bread. But that bread, before you eat, offer to Krishna. Simple way. You offering or not?
Not offering but taking prasadam.
Not offering but taking. When someone offered, you offer, then he takes prasadam. You are very nice. Nice system. Good or not?
Someone need to take the guy. Someone need to cook. Offer and someone has to take us.
Yesterday you ate banana or not? I gave you the banana. Did you eat? Good or not? That banana is good. But before eating, you have to offer to Krishna. So further Krishna says, Jat kurusi, jadusi, jadasi, jat tapasi kuntya tat kurusha mad arpanam. Now what will do? What will eat? That fruits, everything offered to me. Idam sarvam karma phalam and tubhyang namaha. Vedas also saying this. What will do? First offer to Krishna. Then you will free from Maya. Balavindavan Vyari Lal ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. Now 9 o'clock, time is over. Now to offer. And you offer to mango. Who offered this mango, Thakurji?
Yesterday they came.
Or not this Balram? Another Balram. Okay. Or Thakurji eating or not?
Only you can tell.
Yeah. Thakur will eat. If you Shraddha, then Thakur will eat. If you know Shraddha, Thakur will eat. This is the process also. According to your Shraddha, Lord accepts your offering. Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. Could you sing this? Adarang Madaram. This. You play harmonium. I like harmonium. But not proper harmonium. No, proper also harmonium player.
Next time.
Next time.
293.
Okay.
Adaram Maduram Badaram Maduram Nayanam Maduram Hasitam Maduram
Maduram Adipati Adipate Madhura Madhura Manita Madhura 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 Adipate Madhura Madhura Rutam Madhura 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 Adipate Akila Madhura Paranam Madhura Paranam Madhura Paranam Madhura Paranam Madhura 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 Adipate Akila Madhura 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 Yamuna Madhura Madhura Salila Madhura 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 Adipate Akila Madhura Gopi Madhura Madhura Yukta Madhura Yukta Madhura Krishna Madhura Krishna Madhura Madhura Adipate Akila Madhura Gopa Madhura Madhura Jasti Madhura Sisti Madhura Pratang Madhura Pratang Madhura Akila Madhuram 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 Gamitam Madhuram 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 Adipate Akila Adipate Akila Adipate Akila Adipate Akila Ram Madhura Gur Premanandi Hari Hari everybody learn this verse, Madhurashtakam. You understand? This is very nice.
Yes.
What is it?
Monday, you were giving very sweet Harikatha about Ramananda, but you said that you will explain why did Ramananda Rai paint it.
Yeah, why Ramananda? When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his Rasaraj Mahabhav Swarup. হাসি প্রভু তারে দেখাইল রসরাজ মহাভাব স্বরূপ। তাই দেখি রায়রামন্দ হইল মূর্ছিত। And when Rayananda saw this, then Rayananda fainted. Actually, Rayananda in Krishna Lila, that is called Visakha Sakhi. Visakha Sakhi, she knows about Krishna because Visakha Devi, she always staying with Srimati Radhika. Visakha Devi, she saw Krishna's blackish form, how Trivangalari, everything. But one thing she did not see. What is that? Now Krishna have to enter in the inner court of heart of Srimati Radhika and taking Srimati's highest mood, highest prem. Krishna entered in the heart of Srimati Radhika. But when he came out from the inner court of the heart of Srimati Radhika, that time Krishna form is different. This is the new things. You understand? Gaura Gopanta Goswami Maharaj, he explained this way. The Visakha Devi, that means Raya Ramananda, he knows about Krishna. But Krishna, in his inconceivable potential, Achinta Shakti, he entered in the inner court of heart of Srimati Radhika. But when he came out from the inner court of heart of Srimati Radhika, that time Krishna form is a golden complexion. Just give Gaura Gopanta Goswami, they give an example. The black bee, black bee collects the honey from the lotus. When black bee enter inside in the lotus, but inside the lotus, honey is there, this is true. But so many, what is called? Pollen is there, yellow color. So that time that the black bee's body completely what? Covered with the pollen. You cannot recognize this is black bee or not. This is a new thing. In the same way, Rayananda became surprised. Then he fainted. The simple way explain this way. So for this regard, Rayananda, he knows about Krishna. And because he told, ye prathame dekhili tomar sama gopa roop. Rayananda told, the first I saw your sannyas roop, sannyas form. Then I saw sama gopa roop, and then your body and also covered with Srimati Radhika, because Srimati Radhika is the Kanchan Panchalikay Tumar Sarvanga Dhaka. Rayananda, he told, yeah, I saw you are very nice, beautiful, blackish from Krishna form. Then I saw how Srimati Radhika, she covered your whole body. Tar Kanchan Panchalikay Tumar Sarvanga Dhaka. But how Krishna, he completely covered his body with the complexion of Srimati Radhika. These things Rayananda did not see also. If you see suddenly one thing, then you will be surprised. Just to give an example, have you seen ghost? Never. Just I tell you, but suddenly ghost will come your way. Dark night, and ghost come. Then will be what? This is true. In the same way, what things are very new things they sing, and your mind will go, then you find. In the same way, just give an example. Rayananda, he told, I saw your Gopa-based form, Krishna form. I know Srimati Radhika's form and everything. But this Rasaraj Mahabhava Sarup, I did not see. So saying this way, Rasaraj, Hasi Prabhu Tare Dekhailo, Rasaraj Mahabhava Sarup. Krishna, he is called Rasaraj. Srimati Radhika, she is called Mahabhav. Now Rasaraj and Mahabhav combined together and manifest in the form of Sesnandan Gaur. This form no one can see. Only Raya Ramananda he saw. Mahaprabhu manifest his Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup only in front of Raya Ramananda. When Raya Ramananda fainted, then Mahaprabhu gave his Mahaprabhu put his hand on his head, and then Raya Ramananda he returned back his consciousness. And then Raya Ramananda became surprised. That time Mahaprabhu told, hey Raya Ramananda, listen, I saw you, my Rasaraja Mahabhav Sarup. But if things should be kept in your heart, hidden away. Don't tell to anyone. Right? Chaitanya Siddhar explained this. This is very confidential things. And Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup. Now, Krishna is called Rasaraj. Akhila Rasamrita Sindhu Pasimata Risuddha Taraka Pali Kalita Samalito Radha Priyano Vidhur Jati. Veda Upanishad also saying Rasa Rasa Vaisa Jevarabdhanandir Bhavati. Lord, he is the embodiment of Rasaraj. All times of Rasa is inside it. For this he is called Rasaraj. Santa, Dasa, Sakka, Vatsala and Madhurya. All kinds of ingredients in there. You understand this? So Rasaraj, Krishna is called Rasaraj. Our Mahabhav Sarupini Srimati Radhika. Premer Sarup Radha Preme Vibhavito. Mahabhav Sarupini Radha Thakurani. Premer Sar Bhav, Bhavir Sar Mahabhav or Mahabhav Sarupini Radha Thakurani. So now Mahabhav Sarupini Srimati Radhika and Rasaraj Krishna combined together and manifest this form. Ramananda did not see this form also. Rasaraj. And no one see also, only Ramananda. They are saying. And in Chaitanya Charitamrita very clearly explained. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, many devotees serve them, or others also there. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup only in front of Raya Ramananda. All the Raya Ramananda he fainted. Bala Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai Jai Sri Ram. Bala Sajanandan Gaur Hari ki. Do you want to see Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup or not? Only those who are Manjaris mode they can see. Otherwise, those who are Sakhish mode they cannot see. This is also confidence. If Ramananda is Sakhi, Visakha is Sakhi, no? But he got the special mercy from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Either.
Only Sakhi to see. Only Vishakha.
Only Visakha. Saying it. Follow Vrindavan Bihari.